This is a Fujitsu Lifebook model a555, which does not boot and only shows a black screen. This is no powerhouse of a computer, but it does have an i5-5200U CPU with integrated graphics rated at 2.2 GHz and a 15.6-inch screen, so it's still good enough for normal office use. The power LED lights up when pushing the power button. The LEDs for Wi-Fi and LAN also light up, but I've noticed that the disk activity LED flashes, so it does appear to be doing something. I tried pressing delete F2 and F11 after powering on, but there is still no picture on the screen. I also replaced the hard drive with a bootable SSD drive, but there was still no change. Now I will disassemble the laptop and inspect the motherboard. I did some quick power measurements on the MOSFET, fuses and coils. All voltages are present, so no issues there. I even measured the screen ribbon cable and all voltages are present there as well. Based on the first observation where the disk activity LED is flashing, I suspect that the computer is stuck in a boot loop. I have seen issues like this in the past caused by a corrupt BIOS chip. Sometimes the issue can be resolved by removing the BIOS battery for a minute or two, but this did nothing on this laptop. So next up is desoldering the chip using hot air, and then read the memory. I always like to clean the pads, and so I add some new fresh leaded solder to the pads before removing using desoldering braid. I'm using my LT8662 Plus programmer with a SOP8 socket adapter to read the BIOS chip. Now, in the software I need to identify the chip first by clicking on Auto and then Detect. The chip series is detected, so I will select the model closest to mine. My model is the W25Q64FV. Now I'm ready to read the chip memory, so I go ahead and click on Read. The reading process only takes seconds. I will save my dump file for safekeeping, although the data from the chip is corrupt. Now I will load a new BIOS binary to flash back to the chip. I have already prepared a new file, so I will load it up into the software. I can go ahead with the programming of the chip with the new BIOS binary. The chip is first erased and then programmed. Writing and verifying always takes a little longer, so I will speed up the process. The chip is now successfully programmed, so I can go ahead and solder the chip back on the board. Let's do a quick check if the laptop is working before assembling. And we have a working laptop. The BIOS is reset, so I will need to set the time and date again. I have now fully assembled the laptop and will do a last check just to make sure it's still working. And we are done. I hope you found this video interesting. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions, and please like and subscribe to my channel if you like watching stuff like this.